Hey everyone, welcome back to the homestead. We're out here on the west side of the house today where we ripped off that deck. If you didn't see that video, go back a week and a half I think it was, and we put the video up on how to not build a deck. But today we're just going to show you how we're continuing to prepare the property here on the side of the house and get proper drainage on this side of the house. So we're in here and we are grading with a box blade and the bucket on our tractor. We're going to be putting the proper 2% grade, or hopefully roughly 2% grade, away from the house. Unfortunately, when this house was built, the land sloped toward the house. That is horrible for water entrance, water penetration, water under your house. That should never ever be done. It'll undermine your foundation. It'll cause a lot of different problems. So all you builders out there, you know that. All you contractors and your homesteaders, it's really important to keep water away from your house if you want a house to last a good amount of time for you. So we're out here, we're taking that box blade, we're knocking down the grade. We're going to be building probably a drainage ditch along here to get the water down our property. And we're going to be not fully pulling everything out, but we're going to be holding back the rest of that dirt with some railroad ties. We're going to make a retaining wall. So that'll be another video. Hey, if you're interested in all of our videos, please stick around on the channel and like the video. Subscribe to the channel. We'd love to have you here. And don't forget to hit that notification bell or you won't get updates on our new videos. But just to let you know, every Tuesday we are putting out new videos. So let me show you here also along the side of the house what we're going to be doing for some extra protection. And this wasn't done before. This is really standard thing to do, is to put in some perforated drain tile. We'll have a sock over this. We'll be digging a trench along the side of the house here, filling it with some pea gravel, and just getting that water away. And for added extra protection in the lowest areas that I can see where the water is standing, or the areas that I really need to protect, we're going to be putting this catch basin, the circular catch basin. With this, it's not a pop-up, but it's a tall standing filter cap around the top here, so we can catch all the junk off of our trees here and get that immediately away from where it needs to drain. These are great. We're going to be running that drain tile around the front of the house and down the side of the house, and then it slopes off the back of our house at probably 10% grade or so down to our dry creek. And that's really all we're doing. We're going to take this box blade and continue to dig this this craziness out here and get this water away from our house. Well, everyone, we're getting it. It's slowly coming away from the house, and just a little bit more work with the tractor and we should have things pretty well situated here, and time to dig our trench for our drain tile along the side. Other than that, pretty simple day here on the homestead. Pretty fun day. I get to work with the tractor. Every day with the tractor is a good day. Have a great day, everyone. And if you like what we're doing here, if you like hanging out with our family, we appreciate having you here all the time. My daughter's in the background saying hi. And hit that like and subscribe button. We appreciate it. Have a great day, and we'll see you in the next video.